I have here two switches. On the left we have a non-looped one, and on the right a looped one. Let's hear how they sound when I shake them. This is the not looped one. Not sure if the camera can pick this sound. There is a rattling noise, and this one is completely silent. Now let's install them on a keyboard. In this case is a ZSA Voyager. I'm gonna put it on top the non-looped one, and on the bottom the looped one. Now let's hear how it sounds. The looped one and the non-looped one. And now with the keycaps. The looped one. And the non-looped one. And here it is how it sounds with the all keycaps mounted. On the left side, the switches are not looped, and on the right one they are looped.